BSP chief Mayawati is presently in Chennai to pay tributes to the Tamil Nadu BSP chief. The BSP Supremo pays homage to K. Armstrong, who was brutally murdered. Mayawati meets kin of slain Tamil Nadu BSP chief. Let's listen into her.
जिस तरीके से इनकी हत्या की गई है तो इनका पूरा परिवार भी काफी भयभीत है, डरा हुआ है कि जब उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है और उनको किस तरीके से काट के मतलब उनकी मृत्यु की गई है, हत्या की गई है और उनकी मृत्यु हुई है, तो हम सरकार से चाहेंगे कि उनके परिवार को पूरी सुरक्षा उपलब्ध कराई जाए। उनके परिवार को हर तरीके से उनकी मदद की जाए, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मदद करे, सुरक्षा उपलब्ध कराए। और मैं फिर इस बात को मीडिया के माध्यम से कहती हूँ यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री को, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को, कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की तरफ आप लोग ध्यान दें। जो दबे कुचले लोग हैं, वीकर सेक्शन के लोग हैं, उनके साथ जुर्म जाति नहीं होनी चाहिए। जिस तरीके से ये घटना घटी है तो आगे इसकी पुनरावृत्ति ना हो, सरकार को गंभीर होना चाहिए और जो असली अपराधी है वो पकड़े जाने चाहिए। और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को बेहतर यही है कि ये मामला CBI को इनको रेफर करना चाहिए। आप लोग सब बहुत दुखी हैं, हमारी पार्टी बहुत दुखी है और परिवार के लोग भी बहुत दुखी हैं, लेकिन अब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे हैं। ऐसे में मेरा उनके साथियों से, पार्टी के लोगों से यही कहना है, तो जिस हिम्मत और हौसले के साथ वो जी जान से इस पार्टी मूवमेंट को इस क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ाते रहे, तो आप लोग इस मूवमेंट को आगे बढ़ाएंगे तो उनको भी जिधर भी, अभी मैं तो अंधविश्वास में ज्यादा यकीन नहीं रखती, लेकिन जो उनकी काम करने की जो उनकी चाहत थी, गरीब और मजलूमों की मदद करने की, एक एडवोकेट होने के नाते भी गरीबों की वो बहुत मदद करते थे, फ्री में उनका केस वगैरह देखते थे, गरीब होते थे, उनकी आर्थिक मदद करते थे। तो बहुत ही सुशील नेचर के, मानवतावादी नेचर का उनका व्यक्तित्व था। तो इसलिए उनके जिस तरीके से हत्या की है, हमें बहुत ज्यादा दुख है, पार्टी को बहुत ज्यादा दुख है। आप लोग शांति बनाए रखें और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी कानून व्यवस्था की तरफ ध्यान दें और जो दबे कुचले लोग हैं उनके साथ आगे जुल्म जाति नहीं होनी चाहिए। और जिन्होंने भी हमारे स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट की हत्या किया उनको ऐसी कड़ी सजा सरकार दे। यदि आप नहीं है तो इस मामले को CBI से को रेफर करें। तो इन्हीं चंद बातों के साथ मैं पुनः इनके परिवार को, जो स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट अब नहीं रहे, उनके परिवार को विश्वास दिलाना चाहती हूँ कि हमारी पार्टी उनके साथ है। हर सुख दुख की घड़ी में हम उनका पूरा साथ देंगे। धन्यवाद। जय भीम, जय भारत।
Pramod Mahajan, my colleague, is on the very spot where Mayawati just delivered that speech. Pramod, if you can hear me right now, do we know what her plan is now going to be, now that she's reached the city of Chennai, she's paid her tributes? What is it that we can expect from her going forward?
Certainly, Akshat, it looks like Mayawati is over here and she has given a very fiery speech, and what she has said over here is that she has been informed by the people at the spot that the real culprits of the murder of Armstrong has not yet been arrested. So she's seeking a CBI probe. She says that the Chief Minister should concentrate on protecting the Dalits. She also said that with the death of a leader of a national party, a state president, the actual kind of like protection that's being provided to Dalits in the state of Tamil Nadu is under question. And she said that the Chief Minister should concentrate on that. She also claimed that the party and the cadres will not be quiet until the case has been handed over to CBI. Now Mayawati very clearly believes that the actual culprits, that is 8 arrested and 3 detained, she believes that they are like not the actual culprits, and that's the reason she says that the state government should hand over the case to CBI, and if it doesn't so, she says that there is a possibility that the state government also could have a hand in the murder. So this is a pretty strong allegations that has been placed here by Mayawati, who has just paid homage, and as we speak, she is leaving from this spot. Akshat, she almost reached the spot near around 10 a.m. in the morning, Chennai, and she's come directly from the spot. We also have Akash Anand, who are like the national coordinator for BSP, also here. He's once again meeting the family. She already expressed her condolence, but she says the matter of utmost concern is to find those who are behind the murder of Armstrong. It was a gruesome murder. His hand, his leg, his neck were completely chopped. There were like nearly 8 people that were involved, and he was led to die right next to his home. The home, the office, and this particular area where his body has been placed, everything are not even just 500 meters away from each other. And still, here you could see Mayawati is here actually, and and she only said that she want the Tamil Nadu government to concentrate on those matters, and as we speak, she is leaving the spot, Akshat.
Right, we do see those visuals of her leaving from the spot, Pramod, also showing our viewers the very incident that took place that shocked the nation in many ways. The one thing though that stands out, Pramod, from what she said is that she believes that the real culprits are still on the loose. What does the police have to say though about this? Does the police believe that it got the right people?
Well, we can clearly mention that the kind of press statements that was given by the Commissioner of Police and various other, like the Azra Garg and such, they claim that there seemed to be very less possibility of a political murder, which the BSP, like people over here, are not ready to believe. The family is not, Armstrong's family is not ready to believe that, and many people who are like they are lawyers who are here, they are not ready to believe that. They still believe that this is there is a lot into this case, and not just that. They claim, just like Mayawati said right now, they claim that this murder is apparently like the actual culprits have been not yet arrested, and that way the investigation must be expedited, and also they want the CBI to handle this case, Akshat.
Right, we'll have to wait and see whether this demand of a CIB probe will be addressed by the central agencies or not. That is something we'll have to wait and watch, but a very fiery speech being given out there by the BSP chief during her address to the party cadres at the funeral ceremony of the Tamil Nadu BSP chief. To my colleague Pramod, who's tracking the story for us, in fact, is at the very spot from where Mayawati just left. Pramod, while there doesn't seem to be at the outset the angle of a political murder, as we've been picking up, however, going forward as far as the probe is concerned, is there any sort of political support though that Mayawati is seeking over here, and is she getting that?
Well, Akshat, one thing is very clear. Armstrong's body is over at that spot. There is a large crowd that is coming over here to pay attention. Pay their homage. And imagine here itself, managing the crowd has become very, really hard for the police over here. That's a reason the court has also asked not to take the body to the BSP office. That is like in a very congested spot. Now, the aspect here is that while police team claim that there is very less chance for this being a political murder, the family members and the supporters of Armstrong, and now even Mayawati has questioned that particular probe. They all believe that those who were involved in this murder have not yet been arrested, and they want a CBI probe. Just because they do not trust the version that has been given by the Tamil Nadu police only, they are seeking a CBI probe. It looks like even though the Tamil Nadu government has not decided on it so far, and the allies of DMK claim that there is no need for a CBI probe, Tamil Nadu police itself will conduct the probe, as 8 people have been arrested and 3 been detained. The family is not ready to accept it, and now BSP chief Mayawati is also not ready to accept it. She is also demanding a CBI probe, Akshat.
Right, the demands over there being laid out very, very clearly by the BSP chief, who just short while back paid her tributes to the slain Tamil Nadu BSP Chief K. Armstrong and has demanded a CBI probe. We'll have to see if the state government does acknowledge that particular demand or not.